been 7 key stages in the development of aircraft carrier design, and 7 key carriers. At the heart of each vessel lies a major technological advance that allowed them to increase in size. Traveling up the scale, we'll reveal the thinking behind each breakthrough. 7 genius leaps from big to bigger into the world's biggest.
Aircraft carrier.
The Nimitz can cruise at over 55 kilometers an hour, sail for over 20 years without refueling, and house 6,000 men and women. She can detect threats over 500 kilometers away and launch a supersonic fighter every 20 seconds to intercept them. She is a masterpiece of military engineering. To understand how the Nimitz became the most powerful warship ever built means traveling back to 1916. Almost as soon as people learned to fly, the US Navy saw the potential of launching warplanes from the deck of a ship. That ship was the USS North Carolina. Reaching takeoff speed requires a long runway. Of warships were crammed with weapons and equipment. There was no room for a long takeoff strip. So engineers had to devise a way of getting an aircraft up to takeoff speed on a very short strip.
The fundamental problem is down to a basic law.